As more of the steel work goes up, the size and scale of the building starts to take shape.
At this stage, completion's on track for mid next year, late May next year. We're well and truly into the erection of the structural steel. We've erected entirely Zone C, which is the general courts. Commenced the erection of the structural steel between the two zones, the general courts and the show courts, and that's the amenities area. As you could imagine, with a development of this size, we require new stormwater services, fire services, water, gas into the kitchen for the venue as well, and a new kiosk provided by Powercore and a new main switchboard. They've all been installed now as well, so a lot of the in-ground work that nobody sees is now complete. The work that people see as you drive past will really begin to take off in the next month, with Zone A steel being erected. One of the unique construction processes on this project is the roof. It's a Kingspan product called KingZip. It creates quite a thick layer of insulation, being 125 millimetres thick. The other benefit of this particular system is as you walk into the court areas, the roofing system then becomes the internal ceiling lining as well. So the perforated liner, which we installed first, is installed over the top of the roof purlins, and that's what you'll see when you walk into the court areas, is the underside of the perforated liner.
In the next video, we chat with the architects about the design of the building. Stay tuned for more video updates on this exciting project.